whoa, police car number 3 just jumped into the frame. Oh my god. Oh, he's cooked, bro. These boys pulling up like GTA cops, bro. What is up, YouTube? Sorry, y'all boys. I already know what to do. Like the video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Boop. Like this post. Boop. Let me know you rocking with me. That's how I know you rocking with me. Like the post, cause I know. You feel me? I know who been following me. Okay, then let's get the video started. There we go. There go the sound. Let's do it. We got what seems to be ScatPack, bro. Oh man, we gotta talk all right off the rip. I hate pausing so quickly, but bro, that ain't how you take off. The man, police was already rolling. Like he rolling. You, on the other hand, Mr. ScatPack, you weren't rolling. You looked like you was gonna stop. Now you clearing it. We all know Scats don't hit corners very well. He's on a corner right now. And it's a scat, bro. Running in scats are so like, if your scat ain't modded, don't do it, bro. Don't do it. 500 horses might just not be enough. It just might not be enough. It just might not be enough. My early verdict, he gets caught. Drop in the comments what you think right now. Early verdict. Let me know what your early verdict is. Be like early verdict, caught, early verdict, getting away. It's a scat pack though. It's a scat peasy. Oh, hold on. That's another big corner. Let's see how the scat handle this corner running away from the police. He's way down there. I'm paying attention very closely. It looks like he was hitting a brake, so he definitely, that's a tight corner. This is a really tight corner. Look like he got out of the corner pretty well. And that's the thing I keep saying about corners, guys. Like, it's one thing to like, all right, so when we was talking about the Porsche and all that, it's one thing to hit the corner, but when you get out of the corner, you want some power behind your car, bro. So it's like, sure, the Porsche can like whip around the corner, but as soon as that scat get out of the corner, he catching you. I'm just saying, he catching you, or a Lamb or any other vehicle that's not a Porsche. It's catching you. You don't got no horsepower. In the GT3 RS, y'all boys was telling me the 911S was really fast, the Turbo S. I'll give it a look. Like the video, and I'll let you know if that one's a good one. Uh-oh, look like police car number 2 just jumped into the frame. This man got, whoa, police car number 3 just jumped into the frame. Yo, them boys, oh my god. Oh, he's cooked, bro. These boys pulling up like GTA cops, bro. You know how GTA cops just be popping out of nowhere, bro? Look at these boys popping out of nowhere, out the blue. Is that 4? Is that number 4? Everybody popping U-turns on his ass, bro. Like he a real threat. The crazy part, these boys be running away the whole time. They only got a 3.5 and some grabber, bro. Just let the police pull you over, fam. I don't know what Georgia laws is though. I know in Florida, like, they be throwing that shit out the window and might give you a little warning. Ah, what? He turned around. No way, he turned around. What is he doing? Oh, he fried. Yo, this dude lost his top. Ah, he must have popped a tire or something. Yo, that's how Georgia State Police get down? They ain't doing no pit maneuver, bro. They doing battering ram maneuver, bro. These boys moving like the SWAT team. Ah, his tire's fucked. His old car fucked. This is not GTA, bro. He cooked. He cooked. I don't see how he gets out of this. This man went into a parking lot out of all places. Look how they pulling up. Yo, look how they pulled up on his ass, bro. Oh my god, look at that. Yo. Y'all boys, early verdict. I thought he would get caught, but I didn't think he would get caught in such a dumb way. No way he's getting out of this. No way he's getting out of this. Look at them. Oh my god. Georgia State got it going on, bro. Look, he about to get hit again. Oh, them boys gotta run. Them boys gotta run. They gotta run. Yo! Look at Derrick Henry, bro. Look at this Derrick Henry ass police officer. Y'all ain't even peep Derrick Henry. Look at Derrick Henry. We gotta give him a move, bro. That boy came through that bitch like Jahmyr Gibbs, bro. Real shit. Look at that boy, bro. We gotta get that nigga a raise, bro. We gotta get that nigga a raise on my mama, bro. He came through that bitch like Jahmyr Gibbs, bro. He bust through the hole. He probably gonna catch him on foot. Something tells me he ain't the one to be. You know what I'm saying? That's an ex-football player for sure. Oh, why you ain't running a little too slow, bro? I ain't gonna lie, you running the Air Forces too. I know how that shit get, bro. I know how that shit get. You gonna have to. Yo. I'm gonna whip your fucking ass. Kill the fucking ground. Ah, he got caught like that. I ain't really getting into too deep into the rest, but boy, come on, gang. If it were me, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm turning into Tarzan out that bitch, bro. I'm jumping the wall, the fence. You gotta come and really, really catch me, bro. I'm turning into a parkour master, bro. I used to watch some videos back in the day. I ain't gonna lie, bro. And my trainer would have just watching the video alone would have paid off. He ain't really tried hard enough, bro. I would have tried. At the least, I'm trying. At the least, I'm trying to scale the wall like I'm Spider-Man, or I'm doing some gymnastic shit. Something, bro. I'm not going out like this. I'm not going out like this. Let's see if there was somebody else in the car, possibly, or did he just get arrested? Give me your hands. Who was driving? Not me. Oh shit! He got a woman in the car. The guy that took off was driving. Put your hands on the car. Dang, y'all boys, man, that's what happened, bro. Like, I feel bad for Shawty, but at the same time, bro, you knew what she was getting into. You knew what type of nigga you was fucking with. Don't try to act like that shit is brand new. Don't try to act like this nigga is brand new, just fucking left you out to dry. Now, the only thing, like, if he were driving, like, why? Unless he jumped over her or some shit, she wasn't running. She knew she would get caught, bro, and make her look guilty. So I don't know. Y'all let me know the charges that the girl's gonna get in the comments, bro. I ain't too big into all this into the law. I don't know the law that well. So who's getting charged here? I feel like that's something y'all boys can let me know. Other than that, if we just talking about the scat peasy, like I said, don't run in scat. If you run in the scat, you're gonna get caught. If it's not a cat, don't run in the scat. Now we gotta do something better than that. If it's not a cat, you gonna get splat. Yeah. If it's not a cat, you gonna get splat. Yeah. If it's not a cat, you gonna get splat. Other than that, click the video right here, right now, and see how these boys got taken down. Nigga, I might as well go to the booth on y'all boys. Y'all want to see me go to the booth? Like the video if you want to see me go to the booth. And click this video right now. Like right now. Like right now.